Yes, ma'am.
Can you read the invitation that I had given you for the homework?
Yes, ma'am. Shamlal and Sons are opening a new general store, Galaxy Novelties, in Gitanjali Enclave, Dwarika, Delhi.
Hmm.
The inauguration ceremony fixed on Sunday, 29th November
Hmm.
2020 at 11 a.m. Draft a formal invitation, not more than 50 words.
Okay. So how many of you have done it? Tell me very honestly. कितने बच्चों ने करा है? You got the idea how to do the invitation?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? Already मैंने भेजा था ना आपको ग्रुप पर. भेजा था कि
Yes,
नहीं?
ma'am.
I'll send you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Even the second one, it would be done. All would be written in the center. Okay. And how we are going to do it? कैसे करेंगे बेटा हम? Good Lakshya. How we are going to do it? Yes, Anushka, Muskan,
Yes, ma'am.
Payal,
Yes, ma'am.
Yashashvi.
मैम फर्स्टली तो हम किस बारे में इनवाइट कर रहे हैं, किस चीज को लेकर कर रहे हैं?
This way you're going to write down.
No, ma'am. Who invites firstly?
Yes,
Who
ma'am.
is
Sorry, ma'am.
inviting? So, Messrs. Shyamlal
Shamlal
and
and
Sons.
Sons.
Second line announces the opening of. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Third line, what is he
Only.
opening? Galaxy
Yes.
Novelties. That should be written in bold letters. Okay. Fourth
Yes, ma'am.
line, what
In
is
capital
Galaxy
letter.
Novelties? A general store. Okay. And then
Yes,
fifth
ma'am.
line, where is he opening? In Gitanjali Enclave, Dwarika, Delhi. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then in very big and bold letters, very neatly written as these are the printed cards, inauguration.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then next line on. On means after this you're going to mention the day, the date. Okay. On
Date and time.
Sunday, the 24th, 23rd, whatever the date was. Okay. Of October 2002 X. Then next line at, you are going to mention the time. Okay. And finally, you can write down all are cordially invited if you want to. Okay. And visit for all kinds of grocery and domestic items. And then finally, on the left hand side, RSVP. RSVP means what?
Ma'am responded or replying.
Responded to. Okay. Please respond to. Okay. Respond to. And RSVP में आप लिखोगे नीचे Galaxy Novelties and the phone number. So now children, what will I do? I'm going to send you the invitation that had been drafted. Okay. यदि लिख लिया है तो आप मैच करिए, नहीं लिखा है तो again, look at it, learn how to draft an invitation. It's very, very easy. Okay. Easier than notice writing. I think so. Clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
So I'll just send you the pic of it on your, should I send it on the WhatsApp group?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Yes, see to it. You received it? Have you received?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody might be having mobile right now, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshay, are you having? Vikram?
Yes, ma'am.
Payal, Dheeraj, Muskan?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो क्या है
Yes, ma'am.
देखा, उसके बाद सेकंड क्वेश्चन भी है. व्हाट इज द सेकंड क्वेश्चन? सेकंड मींस वी कैन से द थर्ड वन. व्हाट इज इट? The third question is also there, na?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या है? क्या है वो?
Ma'am,
Draft an invitation on, ma'am, may
Yes.
I draft an invitation on behalf of Mr. and Mrs. Raj Karan of 38 Kamal Kunj, Varanasi, which
They may use to invite their friends and relatives on the 5th anniversary
Fifth
of
wow.
this. Yes. Nikhil at the residence on 28th December 2000 and whatsoever it is. Isn't it? अब इसको कैसे ड्राफ्ट करेंगे बेटा? इसको भी सिमिलर वे में ही करेंगे ना. Mr. and Mrs. Rajkiran request the pleasure of your benign presence on the auspicious occasion of the 5th birth anniversary of the son Nikhil. Okay? कहाँ पर इनवाइट कर रहे हैं? एट द रेजिडेंस. कौन सा रेजिडेंस है? जो भी एड्रेस में है, 38 कमल कुंज वाराणसी. एट टाइम डाल सकते हैं आप 4:30 PM, 5 PM on such and such date. Clear? It's
yes,
very easy. और मोस्टली इनविटेशंस जो होते हैं, चाहे वो मैरिज के हो, बर्थडे के हो ना, वी कैन रिपीट 2 of the lines. Request the pleasure of your benign presence on the auspicious occasion of. क्योंकि सारे ओकेजन्स बड़े सेक्रेड, बड़े ऑस्पिशियस, बड़े होली होते हैं, राइट? तो ये 2 lines तो we can learn and we can just repeat them. Where in the marriage, silver anniversary is golden. Okay, anniversaries, birthdays, or any other family functions or religious functions. Clear or not? Got it, beta?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you can have it on your WhatsApp group. See. Got it? You got it or not?
Yes, ma'am. We got it.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, two more I'm going to send you. One is regarding the school function. Okay, suppose you are a student of Newton Public School. I'll send you the question. The school is holding its annual function on Saturday. Okay, the 28th, 25th or 15th November, whatever it is. And the HRD minister, Mr. or Dr. M.M. Joshi, has consented to be the chief guest. Design an invitation card to be sent to the parents and other invitees. अब स्कूल का इनविटेशन कार्ड हम कैसे बनाएंगे? कौन इनवाइट कर रहा है? Who's inviting? The principal, staff and students. Okay, of which school are they inviting? Question में लिखा हुआ है Newton Public School. If the school is not mentioned, what will you write down? Yes, if the school is not mentioned in the question, what will you write down? Suppose the question is like, you are a student of a school and the school is organizing its annual function on such and such date, and he has
Ma'am, the name of our school.
no,
XYZ
not of your
school.
school. No,
XYZ.
never do this mistake. Never do this blunder. You people are the
XYZ.
students of class 12.
XYZ.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. XYZ लिखा जाएगा बेटा. मैंने कई बार बताया कि जब नेम मेंशन नहीं होता या राइटर्स नेम भी नहीं आता है तो नीचे XYZ और ऊपर हम ABC भी लिख सकते हैं. समझता है? To the principal, staff and students of ABC school और XYZ school. यदि राइटर्स नेम या कुछ ऐसा मेंशन है तो ठीक, नहीं
Ma'am,
तो
it is same and date also, no?
है. It is same in. Yes, beta. Everywhere it will be the same in the writing skills. If the name of the organization is not mentioned, you can put ABC. Okay, and if the name of the writer is not mentioned, you can write down XYZ. Do not write your
Okay,
name
ma'am.
or the names of your own institution or school. Never do this blunder.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? तो क्या लिखेंगे? The principal, staff and students of, the name has already been given in this question. तो हम लिख लेंगे Newton Public School, Nagpur, solicits the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of, कौन सा occasion है? Occasion क्या है? अरे occasion क्या है on which you are inviting?
Annual function.
हाँ तो फिर बोलो ना, occasion ही
Annual
बोलो
function.
ना। On the annual function of the school at, time लिखेंगे, okay, date लिखेंगे, right, और फिर ये लास्ट में ये भी लिख देंगे डॉक्टर MM जोशी, कॉमा, जो भी उनका डेजिग्नेशन है HRD मिनिस्टर will be the chief guest, okay, or has consented to be the chief guest and to give away the prizes to the students. फिर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे RSVP in capital letters with a full stop, okay, with a dot, नीचे principal and the name of the school and the phone number. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this
Yes,
Yes,
one
ma'am.
ma'am.
also, this one also I am sending you, just see to it.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it, beta?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And wait a minute. One more, I'll send it to you. Okay, it is all, it's an invitation, okay? Mr. So-and-so, they are, okay, they have planned the marriage of the daughter, and for this, a card, a formal invitation, it has to be drafted. So the question, it goes like this. The question is, your sister Nivedita is going to marry Akhilesh, son of Mr. and Mrs. SM Joshi, Nainital. Your father, Mr. KS Bharadwaj, has planned to hold the wedding at Hotel Kunal, New Delhi on 25th May. It is written. You can put any date, okay? Write a formal invitation on behalf of Mr. and Mrs. KS Bharadwaj, inviting guests to the auspicious occasion. So I'll send you the question. You read out the question and you can easily write down the invitation. I'll send it better, just see. 12th Arts and Science. Okay, you can put the question number according to your own convenience. You got it? Read the question that you have got. Read the question, hurry up.
Ma'am, may I?
You read it.
Your sister Nivedita is going to marry Akhilesh, son of Mr. and Mrs. SM Joshi, Nainital. Your father, Mr. KS Bhardwaj, has planned to hold the wedding at Hotel Kunal, New Delhi, on 25th May 2020 at 8 p.m. Write a formal invitation on behalf of Mr. and Mrs. K.S. Bhardwaj, inviting guests to the auspicious occasion. Give other details. Do not exceed 50 words.
Good, very good. Now see the invitation. Who's inviting Mr. and Mrs. K.S. Bharadwaj, okay? Now see what I said, the next two lines can be similar for many occasions. जो next two lines है ना वो similar आ सकती हैं. Request the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the marriage of the daughter, of the birthday, of the silver jubilee celebrations, okay? or request the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the 30th annual function also. Got it? Of 12th sports annual day. समझ में आया? तो ये जो 2 लाइन्स है ना बेटा, ये कॉमन हो सकती है फॉर एवरी ओकेजन. क्लियर और नॉट? उसके बाद क्या मेंशन करना होता है? द ओकेजन हैज टू बी मेंशन, देन द डेट, द डेट्स, द टाइम एंड द प्लेस. मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, बस वही मेंशन करना होता है. और ऊपर कौन है इनवाइटीज, है ना, हु इज इनवाइटिंग, तो वो मेंशन करना होता है. यदि कोई स्कूल स्टाफ वो इनवाइट कर रहा है तो द प्रिंसिपल, स्टाफ एंड स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ such and such school request the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the 30th annual function. Okay, on the 30th annual function or on the 30th annual day. ठीक है? अब किस दिन, कौन सा समय, ये तो सारे ही functions के लिए आएगा. Getting it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So invitation is very simple. Got it? यदि आपके पेरेंट्स की 25th मैरिज एनिवर्सरी है तो रिक्वेस्ट द प्लेजर ऑफ योर कंपनी ऑन द ऑस्पिशियस ओकेजन ऑफ द 25th मैरिज एनिवर्सरी, ओके, ऑफ द पेरेंट्स. द पेरेंट्स मींस ऊपर क्या आएगा? नेम ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन. और यदि एक ही बच्चा लिख रहा है, कोई एक ही ओनली चाइल्ड है, तो ऑफ हिज पेरेंट्स. ओके, कौन से पेरेंट्स है? मिस्टर सो एंड सो. समझ में आया? ऑन Friday, comma, the 30th of November, 27th of November, जो भी है, ठीक है? At place का नाम है at Hotel Paradise, comma, Ajmer, Pushkar, New Delhi, Mumbai, anything. Got it or not?
Ma'am, got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
so overall, how many invitations now?
4.
Why 4? Maybe 5, na? कितने इनविटेशन मिले आपको? Only 4. Which was the first one? The first one was Galaxy Novelties का.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Second one? Second one?
5th birth anniversary of son.
Okay, birth anniversary. Then third one? Annual function.
Ma'am, annual function.
And fourth one?
Ma'am, marriage of.
Okay.
Marriage of daughter.
Okay. So once you write it, better you just write down all these invitations. Surely you are going to get good ideas and you will learn to write more invitations that we'll do tomorrow. समझ में आया? कल और
Yes,
invitation
ma'am.
करेंगे तो आप उनको easily लिख पाएंगे. पहले आप ये चारों practice कर लीजिए and then it would be easier for you to write other invitations. Clear? Now these are the invitations
Okay.
that are printed on the card. What I said, invitations are also of 2 types ना. कई बार क्या होता है, कुछ ऐसा होता है कि इंटर स्कूल डिबेट्स वगैरह हैं तो स्कूल को इनवाइट करना होता है कई स्कूल्स को, तो दैट इज आल्सो अ फॉर्मल इनविटेशन. लेकिन उसके लिए कार्ड्स प्रिंट नहीं होता है. एक्चुअली व्हाट अ फॉर्मल लेटर in which the schools are invited for the inter-school debates, okay? तो वो लिखा जाता है. That we'll do later on. अभी तो ये कौन से जो invitations that are printed on the cards. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So better complete it, beta. Okay? Complete it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? And I hope now you will not face any of the problems in writing down the invitation. Ads are clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We have done only classified करें अभी हमने, okay? We still remain to do the display ads, है ना? Display ads अभी हमें करने हैं, right?